unmute now, please.
Okay, well, a bit like you, Maurice, I haven't played this for a long time. In fact, I'm not even sure I know it. So if it goes a bit awry, you'll have to forgive me, everybody. The wind blows down through the valley, the sun rises up from the hill. In the soft morning sun there is work to be done, for the land it will never lie still. Each man to his task must be going, the tools of his work in his hand, whether reaping or ploughing or sowing we sing. Arise, you sons of the land, arise, arise, shoulder to shoulder we'll stand. Be proud of the plough and the sweat of your brow. Arise, you sons of the land. The ploughman must walk along furrow, keeping up with the old painful plough. With cold weary feet, many miles incomplete, through an acre as wet as his brow. Through autumn and winter he trudges, preparing the ground for the grain. He endures the first part with a brave, patient heart, through the frost and the cold winter rain. Arise, arise, shoulder to shoulder we'll stand. Be proud of the plough and the sweat of your brow. Arise, you sons of the land. When spring planting's done there is sowing, then haymaking comes by and by. The labourer spends long hot days without end, with the sun burning down from the sky. When the hay has been cut, raked and carted, and the rick stands secure in the sun, there's no time to sit down, for the harvest comes round, and the labour has barely begun. Arise, arise, shoulder to shoulder we'll stand. Be proud of the plough and the sweat of your brow. Arise, you sons of the land, with the labour of every season, with ploughing and sowing the soil, with hedging and ditching and reaping and pitching, we well earn the bread of our toil. The ploughman, the sower, the reaper, provide us with bread by their hand. Is a help to the neighbour of every good labour. Neighbour, arise, you sons of the land. Arise, arise, shoulder to shoulder we'll stand. Be proud of the plough and the sweat of your brow. Arise, you sons of the land. Arise, arise, shoulder to shoulder stand. Be proud of the plough and the sweat of your brow. Arise, you sons of the land.
Yay. Well done, Steve. Lovely.
I don't know if you're laughing.
Well,
or not.
It was lovely, Steve.
That was absolutely excellent.
Well
That was
done,
really
Steve.
good. You've been practicing. That's cheating, you know, in folk circles, practicing.
I thought Marina was laughing at my performance, but I must have been wrong.
No, no. You were excellent.
Never.
That was really, really good. Okay, it's Sally.